Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make crispy bittergourd chips. To make these bittergourd chips, I have used 3 medium-sized bittergourd. You can use a slicer to make the bittergourd pieces, but I chose to cut it with my knife since the slicer will give very thin slices of the bittergourd, and I prefer my bittergourd chips to be a little thicker like this. This is the thickness that I prefer. You can choose to remove the seeds of the bittergourd. I left it as it is. Some people feel that it's very bitter. The seeds are very bitter. So you can remove it if you want. Now we can add some masalas. First add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Along with this, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Then add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, and then add some salt to taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then add 1 thick tablespoon of curd. Now mix all of these ingredients together along with the bittergourd pieces. Then add 2 tablespoons of rice flour and add 1 tablespoon of cornflour along with 1 tablespoon of besan. Now sprinkle a little bit of water. Don't add too much of water. Just sprinkle a few drops of water so that all this combines together. All these powders will be very dry, so just to bind it together, sprinkle a few drops of water and mix it all together. Then to fry these chips, heat some oil and then drop these chips in the hot oil. When one side is completely done, flip it over and cook the other side also. Cook these bittergourd chips till it's nice and brown like this. Then you can remove it onto a paper towel and then you can fry off the other next batches. So this is it, a very simple and easy, a tasty and crunchy bittergourd chips is done. Usually kids don't prefer eating bittergourd, but if you make these chips, it's so crunchy and tasty that kids will definitely love it. And also you will not feel any bitterness in these chips because we've added lime juice and curd, and all the masala mixture will make it so tasty. So do try it out for an evening. Until next time, bye bye.